Hello everyone. Today's topic is preparation of alcohols. Alcohols can be prepared by four methods. Number 1 from haloalkanes. Number 2 from aldehyde and ketones. Number 3 by addition of Grignard reagent. Fourth by acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes. Number 1. First method is from haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are heated with aqueous sodium or potassium hydroxide to form alcohols. Example, RX react with aqueous QH form ROH plus KX. 2-bromopropane react with aqueous QH form propane 2-ol plus KBr. These two are the example of a nucleophilic substitution reaction. OH is a strong nucleophile, so it can easily substitute halide. So these are the example. Now, are you able to identify what is A and B? Ethane react with Cl2 in the presence of sunlight. What will be the product A? The A will be the chloroethane. When this chloroethane react with aqueous QH, it will form a ethanol. Clear? These are the two examples. Number 2, from aldehyde and ketones by reduction. Aldehyde gives primary alcohol, whereas ketones give secondary alcohol. Aldehyde and ketones are reduced to corresponding alcohols in the number of ways. Addition of H2 in the presence of catalyst like a platinum and nickel, it will form alcohol. RCHO in the presence of H2 plus Ni or H2 in the presence of PT, it will form RCS2OH. By complex metal hydrides such as lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4 or sodium boron hydride NaBH4, these two are strong reducing agent. They can easily reduce ketone into a secondary alcohol. Third method is by addition of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent RMGX are polar in nature, where carbon is electronegative and magnesium is electropositive. Due to a polar nature of Grignard reagent, they react with aldehyde and ketones to form addition product, which upon decomposition give alcohols with water or dilute H2SO4. Aldehyde and ketones, when they react with Grignard reagent RMGX, R alkyl group of Grignard reagent goes towards a carbon, whereas MgX goes towards a oxygen, form intermediate, and then it is decomposed into an alcohol in the presence of H3O+. Example, propanone. Propanone react with ethyl magnesium chloride. The ethyl group goes towards a carbon, whereas MgCl goes towards a oxygen and form an intermediate. This intermediate is decomposed into alcohol in the presence of H3O+, and it will form a compound that is 2-methylbutane-2-ol. Some important points regarding Grignard reagent reactions are: when formaldehyde is used in a reaction, always primary alcohol is obtained. HCHO. Formaldehyde react with RMGX, it will form RCS2OMGX intermediate. It is decomposed into a primary alcohol RCS2OH. When aldehydes other than formaldehydes are used, secondary alcohols are obtained. CH3CHO ethanol react with methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl group goes towards a carbon, whereas magnesium Br goes towards oxygen and form intermediate. This intermediate decomposes into a secondary alcohol in the presence of H3O+. Other important reactions of Grignard reagent: when ketones are used, tertiary alcohols are obtained. Propanone react with methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl group goes towards carbon, whereas magnesium iodide goes towards the oxygen. Intermediate is formed, and this intermediate form a tertiary alcohol. This is a 2-methylpropane-2-ol. Now, are you able to identify what is A and what is B? Methyl bromide react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. What is the product A? The A is Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide, CH3MgBr. When this Grignard reagent is react with propanone, what will be the product B? The product B is 2-methyl-propane 2-ol. The answer of this question is the CHO group is reduced to CS2OH and the reaction is CHO is converted into CS2OH. NaBH4 is a weak reducing agent, so it reduces aldehyde or ketones to alcohol but fails to reduce ester. In this compound, the ketone is converted into a secondary alcohol. The fourth method is by acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes. Alkenes react with water in the presence of acid as catalyst to form alcohol. Ethene react with water in presence of acid, it will form ethanol. In case of unsymmetrical alkene, OH is added to carbon having less number of hydrogen atom. It follows Markovnich's rule. Propene is an example of unsymmetrical alkene. When it reacts with water in presence of acid, it will produce propane 2-ol. Now here is some question. What should be the product when a 2-methyl-but2-ene undergo hydration? This is an example of unsymmetrical alkene. When this unsymmetrical alkene reacts with water in presence of acid, OH of water, negative part, goes to a carbon which have a less number of hydrogen atom and it follows Markovnich's rule. So the product is 2-methyl-butane 2-ol. Mechanism of hydration of alkenes. The following steps are involved in the reaction. Step 1. Alkene undergoes protonation to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of H3O+. Water plus H plus react together and form a H3O+. It will attack on ethene and form carbocation. Step 2. Water being nucleophile attack on carbocation and form a product. In step 3, deprotonation occurs to form an alcohol. H plus captured by water and form a H3O+ again and give a product of alcohol. Another method of preparation of alcohols by hydroboration oxidation and oxymercuration demercuration. Alkenes in the presence of diborane and hydrogen peroxide give a alcohol according to anti-Markovnich's rule. CH3CH double bond CH2 propene when react with diboranes B2S6 in presence of H2O2 it will form propane 1-ol. The reaction of alkene with mercuric acid followed by reduction give alcohol according to Markovnich's rule. Ethene react with mercuric acetate form ethanol. Now here some are the questions for your practice. What should be the product when a 2-methyl-but1-ene undergo hydration? Unsymmetrical alkene react with water. Unsymmetrical alkene react with mercuric acetate. And unsymmetrical alkene react with diborane in presence of hydrogen peroxide. I hope you are able to do all these questions. Thank you very much.